Hello and welcome to this video crib on Logic Pro 9. In this crib we're going to look at starting a new project and have a look around the Arrange window. First thing we need to do is select the Logic Pro icon from the dock. On startup, Logic Pro 9 will scan our AU plugins to make sure that everything is there. As you can see, a startup dialog box is open. We get the option to open the most recent project, open another existing project, create a new project from a template, or create a new empty track. We're going to create a new empty track for this example. At the start of a new project, Logic asks us to create one new track. We're going to do one audio mono track. First thing to do when starting any project is save it. We can do this by clicking File, Save As. We're going to save this in the Logic folder. OK, we can now start work on our project. The main dark grey area in the middle of our screen is where all of our audio channels and all of our audio regions will be located. Down the left, we have a channel strip for the selected channel. At the bottom of the screen, we have our transport bar. To the right of our project, we have the browsers. We can use this to create notes on our project, view events lists, or browse media. First thing we're going to do is import some audio to our project. We do this on the Browser tab. We can now browse our hard drive for our audio. Once we've found our audio, we can click and drag into the project. Logic has detected that the sample rate of the file does not match the sample rate of the project. We click Yes to change the sample rate of the project. Let's have a listen. We can edit this sound through Edit Tools and the Sample Editor. We can also change the sound of this using plugins. To add an EQ, we double-click on the EQ in the channel strip. To edit the parameters of the channel EQ, we just simply click and drag. As you can also see, you can change parameters by clicking and dragging on the numbers below. To add a second insert, we hold and click on the second insert and select our plugin. For this example, we're using a compressor. As you can see, you can click and drag to turn faders and pull sliders to change the parameters of the plugin. Further down the channel strip, you can click and drag to change the pan and also the volume. Our track control is beneath this, where we can mute and solo. We can input monitor and record enable below. Because we're not recording, we don't need to do this. So this is the very basics of Logic Pro 9.